Hello guys, welcome back to our channel ChandraAwesome. In this video we are going to continue learning of sheet metal model part with the other two sections. So I'm going to use the same body what we have worked with the first tutorial video. Okay, so let me explain about the other section that is called extrude. In the extrude section it is actually asking a sketch curves to extrude. But it is a solid body. We can't see perform here with the sheet metal operation. So for that, let's delete the sheet model. Okay, and now it is a body, but we need a sketch. So I'm going to delete the extrude also. Now we have a sketch here. Now select the sheet metal model, come to extrude section. Now we have curves. So select the curve and the sheet metal will be formed. You can switch the direction, you can flip this. You already know about flip directions. Okay, and you can add like this. So the bends are automatically added to the even it is a sharp corner part. Okay, and here you can also add this one, or else for the better modeling of sheet metal you must select arcs to be extruded as bends. So therefore we can maintain the we can manipulate with the bends also in later time. Okay, so this is the bend actually, so arc actually. So I'm going to use that as a plan. So when I click on this, it acts like a bend now. Okay, let's work, and it is showing over constraint because the sheet metal have one gap, right? But here not available because we select all edges. So I'm going to deselect one of the edge here. Now it works good. See, so you can see the sheet metal flat view. So when I click on this, it is changing the bending direction. Okay, that is the use of it of extrude. The remaining tools all are same, and you can extrude either to blend, or else you can use symmetric, or else you can use second hand option. These all things are already aware of that in the extrude. How we performed in extrude tool, it is same like the tools. And the other material and reliefs, it is same like how we are worked with in the previous tutorial. So nothing much difference about that, guys. So that's all how to work with a extrude thickness, extrude sheet metal in Onshape CAD software. If you really like and learn about this model, these sheet metal tools, please show the support by doing the like and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.